Assalamu alaikum, viewers. Has your straight shalwar ever turned out loose, uneven, or shapeless? In today's video, I'll teach you how to cut a perfect 42 hip-size straight shalwar that will not only look beautiful, but will also be very comfortable to wear. And at the end, I'll share a special tip that will make the fitting of your straight shalwar even more attractive. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's get started. First of all, the total fabric length is 42.5 inches. Keep the open side of the fabric towards the waistband and the folded side towards the hem. Now, mark a 2-inch line for the waistband folding. After that, mark 14 inches for the crotch depth. For the crotch width, mark 18 inches. And mark a width of 16 inches from the waist. Now, mark a straight line 4 inches downward from the top. Then connect a diagonal line from this point to create the upper shape of the shalwar. If you are cutting a shalwar for the first time, don't worry. Just follow each step with me. Now, mark the shalwar length. Here, the length is kept at 38 inches, but you can increase or decrease it according to your requirement. For the hem, mark 6.5 inches. If you prefer a wider or narrower hem, you can adjust the width according to your choice. Now, place the measuring tape diagonally from the hem mark to the crotch mark and draw a line. Find the center of this line and mark 1 inch inward. Then complete the line by creating a smooth and beautiful shape. This is the important tip that gives a straight shalwar a more refined, balanced, and professional look, so do not skip this step. Now, mark a line while keeping a 1.5-inch margin for the hem folding. Now let's start the cutting. First, cut from the crotch towards the hem while keeping a 0.5-inch seam allowance. After that, cut from the crotch towards the waistband according to the markings, because the seam allowance has already been included. If you would like to learn the complete stitching of this straight shalwar as well, be sure to write stitching in the comments. Inshallah, I will soon bring you a complete stitching tutorial for this straight shalwar. Finally, separate the hem section. MashaAllah. This is how the cutting of our 42 hip-size straight shalwar is completed. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Sew with Fakhra to learn stitching, cutting, and the latest designs. Also, let me know in the comments which size or design you would like to see in the next video. Allah Hafiz!